Hello, welcome to Glam by Noel. This channel inspires you with the latest fashion trends and more. So if you're new here, kindly go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notification button. These gowns are appropriate for cocktail parties, romantic nights, and even weddings. They come in a variety of lengths, including short, mid, and ankle, letting you choose the one that best complements with your body type. Clothing can be made of cotton, which is the modest, or silk, which is romantic. Because there are so many styles to choose from, finding an appropriate evening gown is simple. It's a must-have for many women's wardrobes. Every woman appears lovely and trendy in it. For example, black is a traditional neutral as well as a formal color. Any occasion calls for a black dress. You can combine it with exquisite accessories and shoes to make your own style statement, whether you have to attend a high-profile fashion show or a relaxed date night. Consider selecting a simple black evening gown if you want to keep your black evening gown practical and neutral. To seem graceful and lovely, choose a one-shoulder dress or an ensemble with no shoulders. These are a few examples of different sorts of evening attire. So to look great, purchase a dress that can easily fit into one of the aforementioned categories. Evening dresses are lovely, elegant, and versatile piece of apparel that can cater to the demands of any woman.